G here from OG Creations. I had this extra hoodie lying around, and I couldn't think of what exactly to do with it. In the last few videos that I've posted, I used pastel color dyes that threw me back to my single-digit years of the 80s. I kind of wanted to play around in the 80s world still, but I had seen enough pale color and wanted something bright, which made me think of Light Brights, Rainbow Bright, and of course the brightest color user of the decade, Lisa Frank. And that was it. A multicolored neon hoodie someone could cover in iron-on patches of dolphins, tigers, unicorns, aliens, well, you get the point. I'm starting with a Hanes 100% Ultimate Cotton Full Zip hoodie that I put in a quick wash cycle to remove any lingering black dye and to make it dim. Using the crumple technique, I gather the material in a crumply, scrunchy round and secure it with rubber bands. I apply a 2-to-1 water to bleach solution and let that process for about 15 to 25 minutes. I then soak it in a 10-to-1 water to peroxide solution for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I put it directly into cold water for about 1 hour. I wanted to make sure the entire hoodie would soak up the base color, so I untied it. Plus, I couldn't wait to see what it looked like at this stage. I bring a large pot of water to just below boil. I add in 1 tablespoon of detergent and 1 cup of kosher salt. Using RIT dye Proline formula, I add in the neon yellow powder. Once it's back to a simmer, I add in the hoodie and I stir it around for about 1 hour. Once rinsed, I soak the hoodie in a soda ash bath for 20 minutes. When it's almost dry, I apply dry dye powders in watermelon and hibiscus, and top with a light layer of soda ash. Since it was raining outside again, I thought, why use my ice cubes when they would be better used in a bourbon old-fashioned later? Outside we go for 8 to 10 hours in the Seattle drizzle. Once soaked through, it is brought inside and set aside for 24 hours in a warmer space, somewhere between 65 and 75 degrees. It is rinsed thoroughly in cold water and then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and a hot water cycle. It is dried completely. Once it is ironed and inventoried, I pop the details on Etsy, where you can purchase it now. Hit the link above or visit ogcreationstore.etsy.com. I'm so happy with this final result. Exactly what I was looking for. Much thanks for watching. I post new videos every Friday, so please make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments section what you would like to see created next.